Once kings of the sky, engineering fire, now shadows and sighs bring back the desire.
Back in the golden days, 7-7 breaking sound, 727 treated grace, touching down without a frown. 737 classics hopping, 747 Queen of Blue. Analog hearts glowing crews knew what to do.
Built like forever, over engine and dreams. No rush for the profit, just chasing the beam.
But mergers brought shadows, dollars oversold, colony cracks whispering, losing control.
Delays in the hangar, headlights full of pain. Aviation lovers calling, rise up again.
Return to glory, wings shine once more. Boeing awaken, like days of yore.
Build us the legends, safety first flight. Old school fire, ignite the night.
We believe in you. Bags in the spotlight, grounded in the storm. Whistleblowers crying, culture torn. 777 ring, engines in the cold. Dreamliner promises, stories left untold. We miss the rumble, the soul in every rivet. ADAs and hearts breaking, time to relive it. From the ashes of scandals, forge a new dawn. Engineers leading, prophets withdrawn. Listen to the faithful, the fans in the clouds. Bring back the thunder, make us proud. Return to glory, wings shine once more. Boeing awaken, like days of yore. Build us the legends, safety first flight. Old school fire, ignite the return to glory. We're waiting, Boeing forever. In the sky, lights raining. You remember the shine, polished aluminum dreams, steam gauges glowing, seamless teams. No more the wreckage of trust torn apart. Heal the scars, restart the heart. For every aviator whispering your name, come back stronger, reclaim the flame.